Why steam your clams when in just 3 to 4 minutes you can fire roast your clams, resulting in a flavor that will convince you that you are glad you watched this.
Hello everyone, I'm Mike the Stuber and welcome to my channel. I'm a retired Navy cook doing the thing I love to do the most, and that's cook. So today is part one of a two-part series I'm doing on fire roasted seafood. Today we're going to be doing clams, and the next episode we're going to be doing some fire roasted scallops in the pizza oven here. Why? Because it's a beautiful day out. I want to take advantage of these precious few really nice days that we have left in the autumn and get as much through here as I can, because I'm testing everything. I really am. I want to know everything that I can cook in this thing other than pizza. And yes, you still haven't seen me do a pizza video yet. I've been posting lots of pictures of pizzas, but I haven't actually done the video, and I will be. Trust me, I will be. But I really want to test this out. I want to just try everything. You never know. Something may break down in your kitchen, or you may lose power, whatever, and here's another good option. So anyways, let's get moving here, because this is going to be fast. This is going to be simple. Both the items I'm making today, the two different episodes, is so simple. Anybody can do this. Few ingredients, you'll be a rock star. Anyway, so what are we going to do with the clams? I've got my clams sitting here. I get a little salt water going on here, letting them purge. They've been sitting in there for at least an hour. I'm going to add them to my skillet here. So I'm going to throw some parsley, some garlic, some diced tomato, and some red Calabrian chili flakes here, and a little bit of olive oil and a little drizzle of a homemade wine that my friend gave me. So I'm going to put that to good use. So a few ingredients, all going to go in the pan at one time, into the pizza oven here. Now, a lot of you are saying, well, I don't have a pizza oven, so why would I want to watch this? Well, because you don't really need to have a pizza oven, okay? If you have a pizza oven, a Gozney or whatever, this is giving you an idea of what you can make in it. Now, if you like this, you can actually make it in your oven under your broiler as well. So there you go. You could do it in your broiler if you wanted to. Alrighty, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chop up my parsley, dice up my tomato. We'll come back. We'll get everything in the pan. We'll get it in the oven. Should take about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm actually going to toast some bread in there as well, so we have a few pieces of bread to go with our clams. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back after I do a little prep here, and we'll get this assembled. Okay, I have all my ingredients chopped up here: my garlic, my parsley, my tomatoes. Got my red pepper flakes sitting by the ready here, olive oil, and my wine. All I'm going to do now is take my clams. Now, I'm not heating this pan up. No need to. The bottom of the floor of the pizza oven has enough heat. There you go. I'm just going to take all the ingredients at once. Sprinkle it over here. Going with my chili flakes. Now, I just did 2 pinches. If you like it hotter, add more. You don't like it as hot, add less. You don't like it hot at all, don't add it. Simple as that. Okay, a little olive oil, probably a couple tablespoons. There we go. And a little drizzle of wine. There we go. The clams also make their own broth in there. In the pizza oven we go. Now I have this down on low. I had it on high to heat up. I've got it down on low. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll see. Now you see how easy this is? Seriously. Come on now. Alright, don't go anywhere. We're going to let that cook. We'll come back in about 3 or 4 minutes my time. A few seconds your time, and we're going to reveal these. Oh my, I can smell them right now. I'm going to reveal these clams. All right, don't go anywhere. Okay, while the clams are cooking, let's cut up this bread a little bit. All I'm going to do Just cut it on a bias. What we're going to do, because this is going to create its own broth, we're going to save some of that broth. We're gonna when we plate these up, we're actually going to put them in some bowls, and have a nice little sauce in there with that broth for this bread. If I don't knock these bottles over. So that's it. I'm just going to make 4 for right now. Drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. This one here. I got a piece of that garlic that I was cutting up earlier. I'm going to just crush it down a little bit with my fingers. Release some of that garlic juice in there. Rub it on the bread. This is the real legit garlic bread right here. Oh, mia dia, this smells good. Alrighty, so the bread is ready. When the clams come out, we'll throw the bread in, toast it up. We're going to be eating good. Don't go anywhere. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. I'm hearing a sizzle in there. Some of the clams are opening. So what I'm going to do right now, give it a little help. Pull it back here. Give it a little shake. Get this back in. We'll probably give them about another minute or 2 and they should be done. When all the clams are open, they're ready. So these took about 4 minutes in total to cook, and as you can see, they're looking fantastic. They made their own little broth down here. They're all open. They smell fantastic. I have my bread. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in. And we're just going to toast that. That should take maybe about 20, 30 seconds at the most. It's so hot in there. All right, looking good, smelling good. I'm going to go ahead and plate some of this up. Get that toast out of there. And then we'll wrap this up. Easy or what? Come on now. You know it is. Okay, finish line. Feast your eyes on that beauty. If you could smell this. Be careful, the shells could be hot. Look at that. Nice and tender. Great flavor. Not too spicy. Garlicky. Got a little hint of wine. This is good. Now I'm going to take that bread. Look at that bread. Got a nice little char on it. And I'm going to get some of that juice in there. Some of that broth. I'm going to try this bread. So simple. Another item you can cook in the pizza oven or under your broiler, okay? And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share. And right over there, bing, hit the logo. It makes it so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.